To begin, you need to understand the two distinct types of free themes. The first and most secure method is using the official themes provided directly by Shopify. These themes are built into your admin dashboard, and you do not need to download them from an external source at all. The second method involves uploading a third-party theme that you have acquired elsewhere, but you must be extremely cautious here to avoid broken code or malicious software. Let us start with the official method. Log into your Shopify admin and navigate to the online store section on the left-hand side, then click on Themes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see a section labeled Popular Free Themes. Click the button that says Explore Free Themes. You will be taken to the Shopify theme store, but it will automatically filter to show you only the collection of free themes. Browse through the options, select a theme that fits your industry, and click Add to Theme Library. Shopify will automatically install it, and you can then customize it live. If you have a theme file from a reputable third-party source, usually a zip file, the process is different. From that same themes page in your admin, look for the button that says Add Theme, and click Upload Zip File. A window will pop up asking you to select the file from your computer. Choose the compressed zip file of your theme and wait for the upload to complete. Shopify will scan the file, and once it is finished, the theme will appear in your theme library under the Unpublished section, ready for you to preview and customize. A critical final point concerns safety. If you ever find a website offering premium themes for free or nulled themes, do not upload them. These files often contain hidden code that grants access to hackers, steals customer credit card data, or inserts hidden spam links that will destroy your store's reputation. The only truly reliable free themes are found in the official Shopify theme store, where they are guaranteed to be secure, fast, and supported by the development team. You can build a beautiful, high-converting store without ever paying a cent for a theme by sticking to those official options.